If you're switching from an Android phone to a new iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max, you might think transferring your eSIM is complicated, but it's actually very simple if you follow these steps. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your eSIM step by step, plus a few tips to make sure everything works perfectly. First, before you start, make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection and the QR code or activation details from your carrier. This is very important because you'll need it during the setup. Now, grab your new iPhone and go to Settings. Then tap on Cellular and select Add eSIM. Here you'll see different options. Since you're coming from Android, choose Use QR code. Now take the QR code provided by your carrier and scan it using your iPhone's camera. Once scanned, your iPhone will start downloading your mobile plan automatically. This may take a few seconds. After that, tap Continue and follow the instructions on the screen until the setup is complete. In a few moments, you should see Signal on your iPhone. That means your eSIM is now active and ready to use. Now something important to know, once the eSIM is activated on your iPhone, your old Android phone will lose signal, and that's completely normal because your number has been moved to the new device. If you don't have a QR code, don't worry. You can contact your carrier and request a new one, or ask them to activate your eSIM remotely. Also, if your signal doesn't appear right away, try restarting your iPhone. This usually fixes the issue quickly. And that's it. That's how you transfer your eSIM from an Android phone to your new iPhone step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.